Movie of the reading and drawing. Hot math.
We're gonna wait a little bit. Why? Because we have to wait for the first graders. Can we do a brain pop? Not right now. There is a brain pop that goes with this. Pass it out. Not right now. Wait, he's like, anything else on your desk except for your plate with your taking and a pencil? That's it. You don't need a mask in it. You don't need the saxon book. You only need a pencil. I got the plate. We are listening. Yes, we're waiting for the first graders.
You see the apple?
That's okay.
And where are they going to sit at? What?
Oh, yeah. We need that.
You're mad. You're mad.
No.
Oh.
Take the chair off.
That's my fault. Yeah. Did you guys get a blank card?
Okay, boys. One of you is going to be sitting behind Emmy in that empty seat, and the other one's going to be over here behind Joe for today.
Good job.
Alright. We don't need anything but a pencil today. We're gonna do Valentine's Day math.
No, yay! Thanks.
Alright, let's make sure that everyone's sitting in squatting position, sitting up. Check your desk, make sure it's on the same page. You guys are quiet. We'll get through it quick. Pull your mask.
Like really, really quick?
I can do this quick.
I have to do it too.
We're gonna
Valentine's Day.
go over a type of graph. Does anybody remember what this graph is called? We learned about it a little bit on like one lesson.
A paragraph?
A bar graph. tell because there's bars on it and we're dropping our data. We're gonna watch a brain pop really quick.
Yay! Okay, you just got excited.
Where should we go on our next class trip? The zoo, the firehouse, or the apple orchard?
No.
I'm taking a survey and making a tally chart. What are surveys and tally charts? A survey is a list of questions used to collect information or opinions. Let's see. There are 3 dinosaurs here. Let's take a survey to find out which one our classmates like best. We can use a tally chart to record data or information. Let's see. Moby likes the Stegosaurus the best. You can draw 1 tally mark to stand for 1 vote. 5 kids like the Triceratops. So I'll draw 5 tally marks in that row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5th mark is drawn across the other 4. Well, when you group the tally marks by 5s, you can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Sets of 5s are easier to count. 7 kids like the T-Rex.
Yes, girls.
So after I draw 5 tally marks, I can add 2 more to make 7. Oh, right. I forgot to vote. My favorite dinosaur is the Triceratops. I'll add a tally mark to that row. It's really easy to add to tally charts. Now I can count the votes and use the tally chart to make a bar graph. What is a bar graph? A bar graph is a way to organize and show data. You can write the categories on the bottom. The 3 dinosaurs are the categories. Then you can write the numbers on the side. The numbers in our bar graph show how many people voted for each dinosaur. Let's see. 1 student liked the Stegosaurus the best, so I fill in 1 square. 6 people voted for the Triceratops, so I color in 6 squares. 7 people said the T-Rex was their favorite dinosaur.
That's all the way up.
You can also put the categories on the left and the numbers on the bottom. You can display the same information in a different way so you can understand it better. How can you use bar graphs to understand information? Bar graphs help you answer questions. Which dinosaur did people in our class like the best?
T-Rex.
Right, the T-Rex is the most popular. Which dinosaur did people like the least?
Stegosaurus.
The Stegosaurus got 5 fewer votes than the Triceratops. You can even use the bar graph to figure out the total number of students who voted. Just add the votes from each category. 14 kids voted in all. I'm almost done with the survey on where to go for our next class trip. So far, the zoo is the most popular. It has 16 votes. But I don't have your vote yet, Moby. Where do you want to go? The moon? I don't think the bus will get us there.
Right. We're gonna go over 2 vocabulary words for the question that we'll start on our worksheet. So we have 2 different vocabulary words for math today. It's bar graph and data. So will you give the definition of bar graph?
I don't know how to. Yeah, I don't.
Let's just read in the definition of public works. Compare and contrast data. So data can be pronounced data or data. It's both the same thing, pronounced different ways. And then will you read the definition for data, Jimmy?
All the information
Collected. All the information collected. So we're gonna start with tallying information from Mr. Mason's second grade Valentine class. So when you get this, put your full name and the short date on it, and then put your pencil in the air so I know you're
Can I
ready.
use my rainbow pencil? Ow! I'm not gonna be the same one. Okay. This map. Yep.
Yeah.
Could map ever do this? This is the only thing.
You're welcome. Logan.
Only the first. Can I use my rainbow pencil?
Hey, if your name and the short date on it, your pencil should be in the air.
That's not good.
Great. So my name, this is math. And Andrew, what's the short date? All right. The first thing that we have to do is we have a ton of data here at the top. So we have to read through it in order to make our tally graph, which leads to our bar graph. So Mr. Mason's second graders celebrated Valentine's Day in class by drinking Valentines. Every student brought Valentines for everyone else in the class. And will someone read the first bullet point for me? Abby.
Sarah, George, Paul, Joe, and Clara bought Valentines that they bought from Facebook.
Yeah. So how many people bought Valentines from the store? Logan.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. What? Sarah, George, Paul, Joe, and Clara. 5. Got it from the store. So I'm gonna go down here to the graph that's already made for me, and I'm gonna go to store-bought. And I'm gonna put 5 tallies.
Oh, tally?
Yep, we're starting with tallies, and then we'll put our data into a bar graph. So remembering on that fifth one, we do it across, so we can count by side.
What is the data? Data, whatever.
Guys, make sure that you're raising your hands if you have a question. Yes, Rona.
What is data?
Data,
Yeah, what is that?
data, it's the information that we collect. So like we learned that Sarah, George, Paul, Joe, and Carol all got it from.
Oh, I thought it was a day.
Guys, stop calling out. The second bullet point, oh.
And there are 7.
Will you read the bullet point for me? The second one. Starts with Fred.
Fred, Alex, Anna, Phil, Madison, and Harry made their Valentine.
So these ones are going to be your handmade ones. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7, sorry.
You're good. You said it right the first time.
7.
7 handmade Valentines. So now I'm going to go down to here. 1, 2,
Oh, there are 17 people in the class.
5, 6, 7. And then the third bullet point, you can read that one.
Hand.
Coraline. So the one that starts with Karen. So Karen and Tom get candy Valentine. So how many tallies am I gonna draw there, Arona?
Two.
Two. I'm gonna go to the one that took candy, and I'm only putting 2 tallies. And then my last bullet point. Felicity, will you read the last one? Jill. Marty. Valentine. So Jill, Ellie, and Marty gave toy Valentine. So how many tallies am I gonna put for toy? Jimmy, face forward. A&M, how many tallies?
15.
Yeah, just for toy. 3. So from this, we can answer a couple questions. And they did have the most. So number 1, which Valentine was the most popular in Mr. Mason's class? Jackson, what was it? The most popular, the most.
The handmade.
Handmade, we're gonna go right to handmade there. How many handmade ones did I have? Joe? 7. Number 2, which Valentine was the least popular? Sarah? Candy, how many candy Valentines did you have in Mr. Mason? Sarah? 2. Number 3, did more students make Valentines or buy them? Jimmy?
Make.
Make, because you had how many homemade? And how many store-bought?
2?
Store-bought.
I meant 5.
5. So how many more
2.
handmade did you have?
2.
2.
Thank you. Thanks. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Or how many students get candy or toys? Oh,
5.
5.
I counted them.
So what did you do? Get 5 because I thought it was 3.
So I counted I added them.
You added what 2 numbers?
2 and 3, and it made 5.
Yeah, because it said or we have to add candy and toy. And then number 5, what type of Valentine would you rather receive? This is your opinion, so just write it down really quick.
Wait, so what was that?
Number 5 is what type of Valentine would you rather receive? You're gonna write that quick, and then you're gonna write 1 sentence on why. Here.
You know what I'm gonna say?
So I would put candy. And I said I chose candy because
I chose candy as well. I chose toys. I chose candy.
You're just writing this.
We're writing that.
You're writing what your opinion is.
You really have sweet.
I have sweet. I love.
I have a really sweet tooth.
I'm gonna pass out another worksheet.
No.
You're gonna keep this one out because it has our data for our bar graphs that we're making.
Does it involve candy?
Not yet.
Yeah.
Hey, wait, eyes on me.
Eyes on you.
So this one says name at the top. Don't put your name there. That's gonna be the name of our bar graph. So don't fill in your name where it says name.
So do you just say paragraph or that one?
No, we'll go over it.
This chapter is
No, your name just doesn't go where the name thing is.
Oh, why not? Are we making like our favorite? Are we do this?
Not right now.
We're making our own on this chapter.
We're gonna do something else for this chapter.
Oh, we're using candy I'm gonna put my
Yeah, we're gonna use that data, so we're gonna go.
What are these lines
Alright, we're gonna make burgers.
Okay.
Everyone should be sitting down in their feet.
Bar graph.
So right now it's blank, right?
No.
Does it look like that one that I showed you earlier?
No.
You have to put our data into it. So we have to start with naming our graph. So if it's all about Mr. Mason Valentine's from his class, what should be titled? Our bar graph. I mean,
Mr. Stuffy.
yeah, that works perfect. So I'm gonna write that where it says name.
Mr. Stuffy.
Mr. Mason Valentine.
We have to write that.
Yep, that's the name of our bar graph. Once you do that, give me a thumbs up. Joe, Emily, Logan, Al.
Hey, I put this one up.
All right. Now we're gonna look at the bottom of our bar graph. Does anybody know what these lines are for?
No.
No? Nobody?
No. I know.
Verona, what do you think it's for?
For the numbers.
We already have our numbers over here. Andrew.
For the, I think it's for,
Yeah, so this is where we're gonna put like our
total.
title, like the type of Valentine. So we're gonna write store-bought on one side. Like this.
What do we do?
We're writing our types of Valentines. Yeah, we're not gonna use all the lines.
Actually, no, yeah.
So store-bought will go on the first one. That was one type of Valentine. Another type of Valentine we have is handmade. Making sure that we use our best handwriting here so that we can fit the entire word. Our third time was Candy Valentine. And the last one was Toy Valentine. That's probably the easiest one. So now that we know the type of Valentine, what are we going to use the numbers on the side for? So,
To see the total.
to see the total of how many kids brought those times. So, to me forward, if I go back to my tally mark, how many kids brought store-bought Valentines? Felicity? 5. So I'm going to go back to my bar graph
It's on the computer information.
where my store-bought is, and I'm going to color in 5 boxes.
got 0. It's not a 0. Yep.
Then I'm gonna stop.
Right there. Put our hands where
On your head. So I colored in 5 boxes, 5 store-bought Valentines. I colored in 5 boxes because I have 5 store-bought Valentines, right?
Go back.
I can go back to my tally mark and see that that's true. How many handmade Valentines did I have? Sander, how many handmade did I have? 7. So I'm going to go back to my bar graph, go to the handmade row, and I'm going to color in 7 boxes. I'll give you directions on where to put it.
Okay. Keep there. Mr. Cuddle?
Alright, back to my tally mark. How many candy Valentines did I have? Jack? 2. So I'm only going to color in 2 boxes for the candy row.
I already finished the last one. Yeah, me too.
Don't fall out.
You just went to an alien.
Guys, a lot of unnecessary noise.
Because to not call out.
And for toys, how many toy Valentines did I have, Coraline? 3, so I'm going to color in 3 boxes. So your bar graph should look the exact same as mine. All of our bar graphs look the same.
Yes. Mine looks a little bit scribbly, but yeah.
That's okay.
Yes, mine too. Yeah, mine's really scribbly.
Okay,
That's how mine looks.
on the next one that we do, I want your best coloring.
Wow.
Because I have to take these.
They're not hard to see.
So,
Yeah.
we're going to have bar graphs that look different because we're each going to have different data. So you're going to get a bar graph sheet that says candy hard graph. You're each going to get a box of...
We eat it after?
Nope, we're not eating them right now. You guys have enough sugar for today.
No, what?
Guys,
I might see
yours.
No, we get more candy.
Aiden, why are you turned around?
Yeah, why did you get candy?
Logan. Yes, ma'am. You can take yours back and you can ask this here if you need it. Aiden S. I specifically told you not to do that. Okay, you're gonna get a box of candy hearts, and in each box there are green, pink, white, yellow, purple, and orange colors. So you're gonna graph how many of each color you have. So if I open a box that has 3 orange, 2 pinks, how many orange boxes am I gonna color on my bar graph?
As much.
Just leave them on your Jimmy.
As much as you have.
Not more, not less. You guys can use crayons or markers on this bar graph.
I need to glue. I have my ears on.
Why are we talking? I'll give you directions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, we can do it without the hearts if you guys want to keep talking. And I'll give you the data instead. You guys say. Hey, stop calling out. Stop talking without raising your hand. When you get the paper, put your name on it, and then I will pass out the hearts. You guys are not eating the hearts right now.
Yeah, Logan.
You guys can dump the hearts onto your desk, and then when you're done wrapping, you're gonna put them back into the box. You can take them home and eat them. You're Guys, remember you're using your nicest coloring that you can. So please put these nicely onto your desk. Don't dump them on the floor or anything. I don't want to have to pick them up. Yeah, great idea, Pablo. You can pour them onto your plate. You still have your plate.
Yeah, and my plate has a little piece. My plate doesn't do If you don't have a plate, dump it nicely onto your Can't wait to eat all of this. Is not Emmy's doing it in a great way. She's separating it first into groups by color so that it's easy for her to grasp it. I have 5 grades. Now I do my own. I had none. Yes, mine was empty. I only have a jar now. Some people have like way more.
We're not using them right now.
I think I had.
Yours was empty.
I need an orange. Yeah. Is this an orange?
That's all that was in yours?
Yes.
Sure?
Is there an orange?
That's fine.
I got one too.
Yeah. I don't have this. Okay, you're going to use the same data as Verona, okay? So Verona, you're going to share your information with Devontae. You'll still take them home. It's just he's going to have the same exact address.
I put my name. Already finished. You colored it nicely. Get your
I
name
was
on
like,
it.
why did you get it? Whatever. Are we gonna share when you go in there? Wait a minute.